Hey, what's up, folks? Just wanted to show you this property that we have for sale in Cordes Lakes, Arizona. It's in Yavapai County. The nickname is Coyote. So you can see it's 0.15 acres. One of the really nice things that a lot of people have liked about this property so far is it's in a very well developed area. There is a paved road. There is a mobile home on each side of the property, which means there's power and municipal water close by ready to be connected. So it's definitely will be a very easy, fairly easy lot to develop. There is some bushes on the lot. Those will need to be cleared off, and probably some light excavation. So you'll obviously want to clear the lot and then get it prepared by a professional company. If you're planning to throw a mobile home, modular home, or a site built, stick built home on the lot. So you can see what it looks like. It's 0.15 of an acre. Cordes Lakes is a great little area. It's actually within commuting distance of Phoenix. You can see it's 52 miles from the junction of the 101 and the I-17. Right at the junction where you would head up to Prescott Valley, you would take a right instead of going up the 69 and just it's about 5 minutes off the freeway. It's right off the I-17. So, if you want to commute to northern Phoenix, you could actually uh, pretty easily do that from this property once it's developed. So it's kind of off the beaten path, but it's not too far off the beaten path. It's up north, up elevation just a bit, so it'll be a little cooler up there in the summertime. It's about 80 miles from Flagstaff. It's pretty close to Prescott, about 45 miles from Prescott. And that's what the plot map looks like. It's kind of on the edge of the development. It's in the southeastern edge of Cordes Lakes Mayor area. And let's jump in and look at some comps here real quick. So what I actually did is I jumped on to LandWatch, and these comps that you see here in orange are from LandWatch. These comps here that you see in blue are from Zillow. So let me just show you the math on this real quick. I'll show you the comps in just a second. I just want you to see how we got to the property market value for Coyote is $9,802. So what we did is we took all the comps and averaged out all the acreage, and you can see most of them are around that same acreage size. None of them are too much smaller or too much larger. Coyotes, again, 0.15 acres. So you can see we've got a 0.14, 0.16, 0.2, 0.2. This is the only one that's quite a bit larger. It's a little over a half an acre, but the rest of them are just about the same size, plus or minus a tenth of an acre or so. And actually, this one, because of the price, that's going to actually skew the average down significantly because it's the largest lot and it's one of the lowest price points on there. So that's going to bring the average down quite a bit. So we'll play around with these numbers in just a minute. I just want you to see my formulas so you can see exactly how I came to this conclusion. So again, we averaged all the acreage, we averaged all the price, we pulled those into these two columns, and then the math in this cell here is taking the price and dividing it by the acreage. So that gives us an average price per acre here, which the price per acre is, in Cordes Lakes, according to these comps that we got, is $65,348 price per acre. So I took the acreage of Coyote and just put that here, and then you can see the math here. We just went ahead and averaged, or excuse me, we took the acreage of Coyote and times it by price per acre according to these comps, and that gives us the market value of $9,802. So we have this property price, cash price, at $5,200. Let's pull up the pricing tab here. $5,200 cash price. Obviously, we always charge $299 processing fee, so that's what you'll pay to get started. If you go with cash price, we ask that the remaining balance is collected within 72 hours. If you want to go the owner financing route, it's zero down, $115 a month for 60 months. So you can see even over a 5-year term, you're still paying a lot less than this property is actually worth. So the full terms price at the minimum monthly would be only $6,900. Again, compare that with market value of $9,802. So if you were to purchase this property for $5,200, that's almost probably about it's about a 40% discount off market value. So let's look at these comps real quick so you can see how I got to this conclusion. This is LandWatch. We're an advertiser on LandWatch, so you can see here's Coyote pulling up top of the list. I sorted these by acreage, low to high, so we could find relevant comps. Let's scroll through these real quick so you can see 0.14, 10,000. If you scroll back, 0.14, 10,900, 10,900. So you can check my work here if you want to rewatch this video. I'll just scroll through here. You can see I pulled. I didn't pull this one because it's under contract, but pretty much everything down to here. I just grabbed 5 out of the top, the top lowest acreage. Let's just sort this to price low to high, just to see real quick if it's the same properties. We did pull that one. 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 So yeah, you can see all these are larger acreage. So it's the exact same results whether I sort it price low to high or acreage low to high. So I just want you guys to be comfortable and confident that this actually is market value. That's why I'm going into all this detail. So let's jump over to Zillow, and then all these tabs are just each one of those properties that I pulled a comp from. So you can see all of them there. Same thing here. Here's my search. I kind of drew a line around where that property is located. Here's our property on Zillow. You can see it right here. Coyote, right there, Coyote Lane. So I'm going to actually jump back over here so you can kind of take a quick look at those 5 comps. And with Zillow, oh, what I wanted to show you, sorry, I want to jump back over here and show you the location of the property again real quick. So you can see it's down in the southeastern quadrant of town. So I wanted to get the most relevant comps. So I just went ahead and drew that boundary around that area. And then this one, we pulled, I'm pretty sure I sorted it by least expensive. At any rate, you can see here's one on Cortez, 7,000.3 acres. Let's look through them here. So 0.3 acres, 7,000. Jump back over here. 0.3 acres, 7,000. 0.28, 8,000 right there. 0.17. Oh yeah, I had to calculate these with acres to square feet. So anyway, I'll jump through them. You guys can check my work if you like. It's accurate. The math is correct. And so this part of our strategy as a company, we've been in business for 3 years, and we do try to price land below market value. That just helps us sell it quicker. So if you're looking at this property and trying to find out if if it's a good deal or not, there's your answer. It's about 40% off market value, cash price. So yeah, give us a call. You can call or text 720-526-3787 anytime. We would absolutely love to chat with you and make something work on this property. One more side note, we are able to take a higher monthly and then reduce this price. So the more you put down, the more you can pay monthly, the lower the overall price of the property would be. So if you have a target monthly that you think you can afford for the property, just let us know. We'll run the numbers and send you an email with exactly what the pricing would look like at your target monthly per month amount. So hope you guys are all having a good one. Please stay happy, stay healthy, and have a great day. Cheers.